You know what I haven't done in a while? An EDC update. Now, one of the reasons I haven't done it is I change my everyday carry all the time. Mostly because I like the puzzle aspect. I like to see that I am combining a spectrum of implements, a spectrum of tools to utilize for any given scenario. It's like a personal challenge for me. And today is a themed one. This is actually what I'm carrying today. So we're going to run through it real quick, and we're going to specifically talk about wallet organizers. Who should carry them, and is it even worth it, really? Or is this just for the over-obsessed? Let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, it's been a hot minute since I did one of my everyday carries, and today's EDC looked so good, it seemed like the appropriate time. So we have a 4-piece kit, including keys and wallet. But there's a lot going on here, so let's go through it real quick. First of all, we have a flashlight, and that's kind of one of the most important tools. Outside of your wallet and keys, I am emphatic in saying that a dedicated flashlight is crucial. I know everyone says, well, I have one on my phone. Yeah, no. Anyway, this is the one that gets into my pocket quite often, and it is very versatile because not only does it have 1800 lumens approximately of output with a quick press, it also has the ability to go to moonlight when necessary. So it kind of spans the full range of needs that I have when it comes to flashlights. It also is light enough that it really does work on a hat. And that does come up because I refuse to put a flashlight in my mouth if I can avoid it. Now, moving on, we have this. This is cool because it's only $10. I've just recently discovered the Chums Key Organizer. It even comes with a small multi-functional pry tool with a flathead, a two-dimensional Phillips, and a bottle opener if you need that. And it has enough space for around 3 keys up to 4 keys if you take the tool out. So really, really neat little kit. And with these little rubber tabs, it actually keeps the keys from falling out. I think that that's a really, really clever idea. And so even when you're moving around, things don't come out. And they're also quite silent because of the silicone. So really, really neat design for only $10. Moving on. This is what I'm carrying today. I love this knife. I cannot say enough about this knife. As a budget knife, I don't know any other knife that I like better. I tried to find others. I can't. The Civivi Praxis, it's just so good at being an actual knife. Not just being a fidget tool or like, you know, what you see a lot of people carrying their folding knife for. This actually has cutting geometry that makes it incredibly good at food prep tasks, on top of utility tasks. The utility tasks, not as much, but because you can choke up, it's a little bit easier in that regard. But because it's so thin, I actually do use this in the mornings to prep food because I enjoy it. I enjoy it. It feels good. It cuts really well. It's long enough that the food doesn't get in the pivot for the most part. Yeah, I just love this knife. I can't say enough. The Praxis is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Now, this is primarily what I want to talk about today, which is wallet organizers. This one is made by Nova Leather, Southern California. So this is made in the United States, and I still think is the most criminally underpriced piece of leather good that I've ever purchased. Like, I feel like I was stealing from this guy. Truly, you go check out his products. You will understand. This one actually has a customized pocket that I asked him to add on the back, and really useful because it puts the 2 cards that I use the most on the back side and easy access. In this, we have what is really a pen slot, but I'm using with the Vero Engineering Mini Fulcrum. It is just small enough to actually fit in this pen slot. I noticed though that the Mini Oliver, this will not fit, but it does fit in the full-sized Oliver, which is awesome. Next to that, we have a pair of pliers, a small pair of pliers. These are 4-inch Cobras, the extra small variety, and they have a custom skin put on them, literally, by EDC Outlaw. This is number 49. Very, very, very cool. He does a lot of customizations of dedicated tools for tool users, and I just love these, and they actually fit quite comfortably in this organizer. Then the last item, it's really designed for a small flashlight, but I use it for the 58mm. Usually either the Manager or the Signature, in this case the Signature, and the reason is because it has a pressurized pen. Now the way you use this, let me grab the wrong one. Let me grab the file. You deploy the file like so, and now the file rests on your hand, so you have the control like you would any other pen, and it is surprisingly comfortable. This is a blue ink pressurized insert, so it has the same basic functionality of a Fisher Space Pen, but with a lot more benefits, such as the tweezers, the blade, and so on and so forth. And of course the scissors. I think this is a really, really great tool, and I cannot recommend Victorinox with a pen more. They are just awesome. Now, going along with that, we have another hidden thing inside, which is a small Write in the Rain notebook. This is the OTG, and what I like about them is not only does it have the waterproof paper, but it also has perforations. So if you need to remove a page, you can just rip it out and keep going. If you do not want to spend the money on something like the OTG, let me recommend this. If you go to Home Depot, you can get something called Tough Notes, and you can actually cut them to shape in such a way that you can actually get it inside a small wallet like this, and those are not only going to be waterproof, but you can take them off, peel them off, and stick them to places. So that's a great option if you do not want to go with this. Just a little food for thought. Now, if this is your first time here on my channel, this might seem completely excessive, but that's who I am. I find that EDC is more of a puzzle challenge than anything else. And I know there's a lot of people out there going, "Whoa, use your stuff, use your stuff." Yeah, I do use my stuff. But more than anything is I love making sure that I have a certain implement when is needed. And so for me, the more complete my EDC, the better I feel. It's kind of my version of the, an OCD environment. Like I love to see that everything is kind of in its place and that everything has a purpose. And so for me, a wallet organizer makes a lot of sense. And it has been that way for a long time. And it started with a company called Anti-Gear Co. Now, this product, the anti-wallet and its sleeve, really changed things, not just from a wallet perspective, but it changed things for how I look at EDC, and also really got me into all of what you're seeing. This guy went out of his way to help me out. I talked to him after purchasing it, loving his product, and say, "Hey, could you make it so that the pen slot was a little bit bigger so I could fit something like the Signature?" And he's like, "That's a really cool idea. Let me do that." And without telling me, he actually sent me 3 of these to test. He even wrote numbers on them to see if I liked the different ones, and so he could identify which one that I liked the best. That gesture to this day still sticks with me as one of the defining moments that got me interested in making kind of connections with makers on Instagram. And it was from there that really all of this kind of flowed. I cannot say enough about this company and this gentleman. They are made in the United States. They're made by a family-run business. The gentleman hires primarily vets in his area. I cannot say this enough. Please give it a shot. Try one of these products. And I actually really prefer, and let me see if I can find it, utilizing a combination of the Velcro pocket, the Velcro sleeve, and one of their organizers. That's kind of my preferred version because I use the Wazoo Cash Patch, which has, Leatherman bits inside. So I'm able to get a lot of functionality. So he has this, which is just the simplest possible wallet you could imagine with a morale patch. This, which it's not exactly this one, it's actually this one. right here, which fits a pen and a flashlight, small flashlight, with your cards and stuff. And he also has what he calls the anti-wallet, which actually has this piece right here and connections for your keys. So it's a key organizer, wallet, and everything. And you can even bifold cash in here. So I can't say enough about this company. It seems like it would be a simple product that it would fall apart, but this is many years later, and this Velcro is still holding up. I don't know where he sources it, but between his incredible seaming job, is that the proper term? I don't know. But between this and the fact that he's using really high quality elastic, it just held up and held up and held up. And considering that they're like under $20, awesome. Cannot say enough. Please patronize this guy. If you really like, yeah, just do it, because it's awesome. There are other wallet organizers out there, tons of them. Country Bear Company is another. I use this quite regularly. Where the heck is that pry tool? There it is. Nope, that's not it. Well, it's the same basic thing. Aha, found it. So usually what I do with this one is I carry a customized jet setter, which has no blades and still has that pressurized pen, and the novel carry Slidekick, right, without the clip, which has 3 bits inside and is a screwdriver. This is essentially for non-permissible environments where I'd like to still carry my tools, but I don't have a blade in it, so I don't have to think about it. So I can walk straight through TSA, no problem, no big deal. This design was an adaptation of one that I worked with Steven, who is the maker of Country Bear Company. We made a larger notebook organizer, and it worked out really nicely. And his idea was to take that same form factor and shrink it down to a wallet size. And I was like, all right, maybe that'll work. It turns out it works amazing. Steven is a genius, really good idea. And this design just is very compact, and I can get pretty much everything I got in here, except for one additional tool slot. But it's a little bit more compact. Wallet organizers are a blast. They really are. And they're a great way to keep all of your tools in one place that you might use on a daily basis, whether it's a small flashlight, a small Victorinox, a pen, a pry tool, whatever that happens to be. I could do this for a long time. We could talk about a lot of different wallet organizers, but these are just some examples, and I will put a link to all of them down in the description. But I'm very curious, would you use a wallet organizer, or is this just too much for you? Let me know. Well, I hope this didn't get on too far, didn't get too much of a rant, but thank you for tuning in, and we will talk again very soon.